Oh, at last, the Earth can breathe a sigh of relief. The Shapalats will never be able to invade it like they wanted.
I have all the faith we'd never let that happen.
I wonder how the game will go tomorrow. Oh. I am too excited to sleep now. We should take these robots to the research center. And we should take the Shapalat to the virus garden. It can play with its friends. I think they'd all appreciate that. Also, so it can't go to other planets and ruin everything there. You get me?
Oops! Oh no! Minnie!
Whoa, what happened?
The Shapalat, look! It escaped!
No way! What's going on? Oh, my word.
Neşe, good morning. Are you ready for today's game?
Totally. Of course I am.
Yumak, over here.
My hair! Ah!
My sister is overexcited, Dad.
That's just normal, believe me. She's been training for this tournament for so long, she'll be just fine.
Today is what matters. Nothing should distract her.
Don't worry, Mom. I'll be a good boy, a very good boy.
You, Mock? Now that's a good boy.
With all the joy and love we have the moral responsibility to support her.
I think we should take the medallion now. She spends too much time with that thing.
You're right, Mutlu.
Good morning.
Good morning, love.
Good morning, sweetheart. Would you like some orange juice or milk, dear?
I'll grab it, Daddy. Thank you for asking.
You look very tired, Neşe.
I was too excited to sleep last night, Mom.
I wish you had come to us, honey. We could have read a book together. You could have slept well.
Listen, sis. You must pull yourself together. Today you play your first game in the tournament. Did you forget?
Would I ever forget it, Mutlu? I should have my breakfast at once. Huh? It's my medallion's alarm system. It must be Minnie and Manny.
Honey, I think you should put your medallion away for today. Just focus on your game. I believe Minnie and Manny would understand.
Yeah, you're right, Mom. But I want to keep the medallion. Sound good?
Okay, dear. Now have a nice breakfast. Load up for strength.
Hey, Neşe, slow down. You're gonna choke.
I think you're right, Mutlu.
Minnie, Manny, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Manny, they came to see all new things. Every moment, everyday life embraces us. Come now, come live with joy inside you.